Hey, ELC family, Pastor Jerry here. Hey, my wife just let me know that the 2023 giving statements are now ready for you guys to get off of either the website or the app. So I'm gonna show you two ways that you can do it. So you go to your church app right here, you click on it just like that, and it'll come up. Oh, hold on, we'll do Face ID. Hold on, it didn't recognize my face. So there's the app, and then you go down here to where it says Give, or you can go to Me. So if you go to Me, you'll come here, you see, hey, there's me. And then you'll go down to, you scroll up and it says My Giving. You click on My Giving, and then you go to Statements, and that's it. And it'll show you all of your statements for 2023. So let me double check them real quick here. Yes. So see there it says ELC Annual Giving Statement 2023, and you just click on there, and it'll give you all your giving statements for last year. All right. The other way that you can do it is you can go on to the ELC website, which is right here. There we go. All right, camping, life groups. There you go. We're rocking it. And you go to here where it says Giving. You click on Giving right there. See right there? All right, Giving. Then you scroll up to where it says Tithes and Offerings. And then, where is it? It's not doing it. Let's try it again here. Go to Giving, Tithes and Offerings. There we go. All right. And so then at that point, you'll just scroll to where it says My Giving. It says My Giving right there, and you click on it, and there you go, and you'll see statements right there. See that? Statements right there. And that way you're able to see right there your 2023 giving statements. All right. Hope you have fun doing that, and we'll see you guys this weekend at church. Be blessed. Bye-bye.